page number 66 and start reading with me. The taste of different foods is not same. We enjoy food due to different in the taste and aroma in the food. Children, you might have noticed that the taste of pav bhaji and dosa is not same. The taste of rasgulla and gulab jamun is not same, and even some vegetables, for examples, the taste of potato and tomato is also not same. That means the difference, there is a lot of difference in the taste of all the foods. And children, do you know why it is? Yes, children, before our food reaches to our stomach, it has to pass through our mouth, and our mouth has tongue which is helpful in tasting the food. And this tongue has some taste buds which helps in tasting the food. Taste buds are sensory organs that are found on our tongue and allows us to experience tastes like sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Children, our tongue has four main tastes, that is sweet, salty, sour and bitter. And you can see in this picture that in which parts of tongue you will find all these tastes. So let's learn some tastes of food. Children, can you see this? Yes, this is a cake piece, and I know you know the taste of this cake piece. Yes, it is sweet. Children, do you know what is this? Yes, this is bitter gourd. And you know what is the taste of it? I know many of you might have not tasted also, but know its taste. Yes, this is bitter in taste. Yes, children, what is this? Yes, wafers, then biscuits, and you know what is the taste of all these items? Yes, it is salty, because some amount of salt is more in these items, that is why they are salty in taste. Children, can you see this? Onions, ginger and chilies. Do you know the taste of these items? Yes, these are pungent in taste. Pungent means some more like spicy. They are spicy in taste. Children, can you see this? Yes, it is pomegranate. And have you ever thought that what is the taste of this? When you eat this, you feel like something like that khatta pan, and but you never think that what is the taste of this. You never imagine. Yes, the taste of pomegranate is astringent in taste. That means in Hindi we call kasela swad. Okay, so these types of food, there is one more type of taste, that is astringent. Yes, children, can you see these fruits? I know you all like these fruits. Children generally like these types of fruits. Why? Because they taste juicy. And do you know what is the taste of these juicy fruits? Yes, they are sour in taste. So children, our tongue has four taste buds, but there are generally six types of taste. The food has six main tastes, that is sweet, salty, sour, pungent, astringent and bitter. For good health, all taste should be taken in proper quantity. So children, now whenever you eat your food items, you should see to that all the tastes are included in your food items. Children, take out page number 66. You can see a table over there. From which food do we acquire the following tastes? Children, six tastes are given: sweet, salty, sour, pungent, astringent, bitter. You have to find out that which food items are giving these tastes. Here you also have to find out that how these food items are present in the food. First one is sweet taste. Yes, sweet is present in sugar cane, jaggery, sugar cubes, sugar and ripe fruits. Children, this sugar is present naturally in some fruits like chiku, banana, etc. Jaggery, sugar cubes and sugar are present in our food in raw form, and when we mix these things into some more ingredients they taste sweet. Now comes salty. Salty taste is in salt. The salt which we are using in everyday life is very important part of our recipe. Without salt, the recipe, our food item doesn't taste good, and this is present in raw form. Then comes sour taste. Yes, sour taste is present in tomato, tamarind, amla, raw mango, lemon, orange, sweet lemon. Yes, and all these items are present in our food in raw form. Then comes pungent taste. Carom seeds, which we call ajmo or ajwain, cinnamon, dalchini, garlic, lasan, mustard, rice seeds, black pepper, chili, then clove that is long, and ginger that is adrak. These food ingredients can be present in our food in raw form. They can be roasted or they can be fried too. Then comes astringent taste. Children, turmeric, beans, mango seed, betel nut, all these taste astringent. And how do you eat these foods, or how they are present in our food? Yes, raw form, they can be boiled or they can be roasted. Last one is bitter taste. Yes, fenugreek, bitter gourd and neem have bitter taste. And how will you eat it? You can boil it or you can roast it, and you can include these items in your food. So children, you might have got an idea that how these tastes are present in our food items. Children, take out page number 67 and start reading with me. Many spices are used to prepare food in the kitchen. Salt, chili, turmeric, cumin, fenugreek, mustard, jaggery, tamarind, etc. are among these spices. Such components are very important for our health. So, children, just see here, turmeric means haldi, cumin means jeera, fenugreek means methi, mustard means rye, jaggery means good, and tamarind means imli. And all these spices are important for our health. There is some scientific approach related to each of these components of the kitchen. Yes, children, now here you will be thinking that why the teacher is discussing about all these spices. Yes, children, because these spices are good for our health. All these components which are present in our kitchen are good for our health. This information is very important to us. Let's identify the spices based on its taste. Children, here some riddles are given and we have to guess the name of the spices based on these riddles. So, let's see first one. Six tastes don't include my name, yet no taste without me is my tall claim. Now, according to this riddle, there are six tastes and it doesn't include its name, and it is saying that this spice is saying that if you don't include me in your food will not taste good. Yes, it is jaggery, sugar cubes, sugar cane, and naturally ripened fruits are sweet things. Yes, why children we should take sweet? Because to get energy, we get energy from sweetness. So that is why this is also important part of our food. Now children, second one is I am Mr. Salt, briny taste is my fame, king of every kitchen, famous by this name. Yes, children, this is salty taste is mainly provided by salt. Do you know it? The food is tasteless without it. During fever, the cloth soaked in salty water is kept on the forehead to reduce fever. So the answer is salt. And children, see, I told you na that why we are reading this chapter, because it is very helpful as a medicinal purpose also. Salt water is used for curing, or you can say for reducing fever also. Now the next one is a thought of me sizzles your tongue and look how mouth waters. Sweet and sour is my tasty yummy juice one loves and slurps. See children here, which are sour food items? Yes, lemon, tomato, tamarind, kokum, amla, raw mango, etc. All these are sour food items. Sour juice is obtained from all these food items. Sour taste helps in digestion of food. You must have drunk buttermilk after having meals. Children, I have seen here in Gujarat, everybody has habit of drinking buttermilk after the meals. After every meal, they drink buttermilk, especially in the afternoon. Do you know what is buttermilk? Yes, it is your favorite drink, that is charge. Buttermilk is beneficial for digestion of food. So now you come to know that why we are reading this lesson. Yes, to know the health benefits which are obtained from our kitchen. Now the next one is green and red are my colors. I am known as chili. Keeping your tongue stinging, spicy tanging is my ability. Yes children, spicy taste. And how do you obtain spicy taste? Yes, by chili, by red chili or green chili. And children, I know you all like spicy food, but children, you should not eat spicy food in excess. It should be in limited form only. Do you remember the story of Mahesh? What will happen if you eat excess of spicy food? Yes, your stomach will pain. Spicy taste is obtained from chili, mustard, black pepper, ginger, ajwain, garlic, cinnamon, clove, white pepper, etc. Now let's see in Hindi what are these names. Chili means mirchi, then mustard, rai, black pepper, that is kali mirch, ginger is adrak, ajwain garlic means lasan, cinnamon means dalchini, clove means lavang, and white pepper means white colored pepper. Spicy spice kills harmful organisms, secretes digestive juices, but too much of spicy food is harmful. Yes children, this I have already explained you that too much of spicy food is not good for your health, it is harmful. Children, spicy food kills harmful organism, harmful bacteria in our body, and this is how these spices are helpful to us. Now the next one is no one loves me as I taste plume and crest, help rid of cough and bad tasting mucus, I am the best. Now children, this riddle shows that this is a spice which nobody loves the taste, but it is very helpful in many ways to us. Yes, turmeric, pulses, mango seed, betel nut, etc. have astringent taste. Astringent taste removes sticky substances from our body. Mango seed and betel nut are used as mouth freshener and remove the stickiness from our mouth. So children, see, you don't like the taste, but they are very helpful for our body, for our health. Now children, take page number 68. Last riddle is people just spit me out, but when sick, gulp and gobble. Know my virtues for healthy life. Bitter taste is noble. Yes children, I know you don't like this taste, that is bitter taste, but when you are sick you have to take this taste, because then only you will be cured. Bitter taste works as a medicine in many of our diseases, and that is why this taste is called noble taste. Bitter taste is obtained from fenugreek, bitter gourd, etc. The neem is also bitter in taste. The bitter juice activates our hunger. It helps to keep our body disease free. So children, it is very important to take this taste also, even though you don't like, because it is good for your health. So children, by these riddles, I hope you all enjoyed that how these spices are good for our health and how they helps in maintaining our good health. So children,